now to the national capital, where the people of Delhi continue to struggle as far as the air pollution concerns are concerned. The Delhi government has now deployed 114 tankers to spray water across the city in a bid to reduce the mounting levels of air pollution and settle the dust as well. Meanwhile, a major contributor to the worsening air quality index in the national capital as well, a thick blanket of toxic smog gripped Delhi and nearby cities, that is the Delhi NCR region, as the national capital region continue to suffer from a post-Diwali hangover as well. And we have these visuals from Safdarjung and Vijay Chowk, where there is certainly pollution being witnessed and a thick blanket of smog that the people have to struggle with. Let me now go across to Shivani, who's also joining us live. Yes, Shivani, help us understand what is the Delhi government really doing about this, because post-Diwali, the people are still struggling as far as the pollution levels are concerned.
Richa, we know that since last three consecutive days, Delhi has been, the air quality index has been fluctuating between severe and hazardous. And that's probably the combined effect of stubble burning also that's being witnessed in the adjoining states of Punjab and Haryana. And Delhi government has now deployed 114 water tankers who are sprinkling water on the trees that have this thick layer, because of which the filtration has probably stopped, as we see that pollution levels going up. So now these water tankers are sprinkling water on the trees and trying to reduce the pollution levels, because we've been witnessing the air quality indexes coming in from different locations in New Delhi and the NCR region, be it Noida or Gurgaon. They were fluctuating between 436 to 600 and above. So this was a serious matter of concern, and there have been 3,500 such points where the stubble burning has already been reported through the satellite imagery. That's quite serious. So there are indications that in coming week or so, the pollution levels might get elevated due to this stubble burning. And Delhi government has now deployed these 114 water tankers who are trying to sprinkle water and reduce the pollution levels, because there were complaints of sore throat and breathing issues in the national capital region, where people were facing problems. And now these steps are being taken up, and awareness to stop stubble burning is also being created. Richa.
All right. Thank you so much, Shivani, for getting us that live update from the national capital. Meanwhile, steps are being taken by the Delhi government that has already deployed around 114 tankers to spray water across the city.